Are you gonna do it? Good boy. Do it again. Do it. Good boy. And again. Good boy. Do it. Good boy. And again. Go. Do it. Good boy. Good boy. Do it. Good boy. Again. Keep doing it. Yay. He's a clever boy. What are you doing? Do it. Oh, you're gonna roll over. Are we getting stuck? Come on, pull your arm out. Your arm's stuck. Is that right? Is that hard work, is it? Jazzy, I'm gonna put your other arm up too. Jazzy, you wanna roll back over? We stuck, are we? Yeah. How's it? How's it?